YouTube, welcome back to another video of Let's Talk About Cars. Alright, so got this topic today that I want to talk about, and it's buying your dream car. I know we already discussed it on how to get it and staying down and building up your credit to get it, but today we're gonna talk about once you get your dream car, should you get it while you're young? Yeah, so you get your dream car, right? You feeling good. And, people telling you, hey, man, do a burnout, slide it, drift it, whatever. And you end up smacking your shit. And it's damn near total, or, you know what I'm saying? Just some crazy stuff. I've seen plenty of videos like that, man. But, it's basically more than that. Like, especially if you got like a V8, or even here, like one of them BMWs or a Supra, just a car that you've been wanting and you just happy that you got it. So now, like, some people cheering you on, some people kind of hate you, but we just gonna come to the reality of buying your dream car. So, like, buying your dream car, it's a good feeling, man. It's a real good feeling, accomplishment. You know what I'm saying? You gotta pat yourself on the back first, because you put in blood, sweat, and tears to get that car. And like a lot of people, ain't able to get that dream car. You know what I'm saying? So you really did good. You know what I'm saying? Pat yourself on the back for that. But yeah, so you got like close friends celebrating you, you taking them on ride-alongs and everything like that. Like just basically the first 1 or 2 weeks is all fun. You know what I'm saying? It's just fun. You showing out. You know what I'm saying? You just getting the feel for the car. You living the car. You taking it to the washer every day, washing the car, making sure it's clean inside and out. You just, you flossing. Because as you should, you proud of what you have bought, or, what what you got. So after that, 1 week or second week over with, or even that first month, boom, it's time for that car payment. Or, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's time for that car payment. You got to pay for the car, gas, insurance, all of that stuff kick in. Getting the car registered and all of that kick in. And you like, man, I want this car. You know what I'm saying? You want it. So you still going to find a way to pay for it. But, like, you want it to where, like, it kind of made money for you. You know what I'm saying? Like, buying your dream car, you got to make sure it makes money for you. Like, if you're a real car guy or a car girl, you got to find a way to make the car make you money. That way you're not just pouring into it and it's not bringing you nothing back. Because one thing in life taught me, man, is like, it's like you can have the stuff that you want in life, but sometimes, like, certain things have to bring you money back. Like a car or, just certain things you do in life. Sometimes you just, what I'm saying, we do, like, we got hobbies. And, we like to do these hobbies, you work 40, 50, 60 hours a week. The weekend finally comes, and you just want to, take them 2 days off and, do what you like to do in yourself. You know what I'm saying? Like for me on the weekends is making content, or, posting my car, or, just doing like my hobbies that I like doing. And some people don't know that the hobbies that you do can actually like make a way out. Like, I ain't gonna say content creation for everybody, but it kind of is for everybody. Everybody got their own life. You might live the same life as somebody, but it's still different. And some people still want to see it. You always gonna have an audience. You know what I'm saying? So, I know we got off talking about the dream car, but I'm just saying just hobbies in general. Everybody got something they can record or do or make a business out of and can still enjoy their hobby. That's all I'm saying. That to it. So yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? You got your dream car. It's all good and stuff. You enjoying the car and everything like that. And then, you try to find ways to pay for it and stuff like that. We just gonna talk about this. It's like 5 different things I'm gonna talk about. First we're gonna talk about payments. So payments, all right. So payments kick in insurance, car note if you got one, but insurance, car note, or whatever like that. And you know what I'm saying? You like, I want this car, so you still figure out a way to pay for it, but you want to make an easier way. That way you always have money for that car. So you're thinking of ways, and you really don't know, but I mean, majority of people know now to like do YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, but some people don't know. Or you can get sponsors, like if you're into racing, building the car, or whatever you're doing, you can manage whatever you want to do with the car. It could be made with content, or some type of content to where it's paid for, like the content is paying for your car, that you are still able to enjoy. I mean, you probably still working, that's good, but that ain't coming out your check to pay for the car. At first it might be, but then once you get up your content, posting every day or every week, you know what I'm saying, making sure people subscribe, follow, and all of that to your channel or to your Instagram page or TikTok page or whatever that makes you money, you can start finding ways to, making that car pay for itself. So by just posting every day, TikTok, Instagram may pay you, Facebook. A lot of people sleep on Facebook, but YouTube may pay you, or you may get like let's say car accessories. Somebody may want to sponsor you, or they trying to grow their business too at the same time, and they like, hey man, we'll give you free stuff if you promote our business on top of such amount of money, and every month or every other week we'll give you that off you promoting this accessory or whatever it is that you put on your car, or they want you to put on your car. So that's one of the ways that you can make money, by just doing content and doing partner deals. A lot of people sleep on partnering deals. Like I say, your network is your net worth. So like you just gotta network with people, you know what I'm saying? Talk to people, reach out to some of these companies if they don't reach out to you. Make sure you got the following first. I will say that. Make sure you got the following first. Do that first. Build your following up to at least 10,000 or 15,000 followers or subscribers or whatever like that. And then, try to reach out to those companies that you want to work with. Don't start with no big company, because they already got people they working with. Start with a small company that, they, working on their business as well. And, they legit, they doing a legitimate business. That way, you know what I'm saying, because you don't want to support bad companies. You want to support the ones that good and they do good business. That's what you want to do. If you get that following, find companies to do brand deals with, small companies, small local business in your city, or it may even be out of town, but you having to see them on your FYP, and you like, okay, all right, I see them, let me reach out to them, see what I can come up with. They may make wheels or do like chin spoiler or lights, something, you know what I'm saying? That way you can, have that car, like I said, pay for itself. Next thing I want to talk about is friends or family. Most people, I'm going to say most people, I'm going to stay positive with this. Most people are going to be happy for your success. Most people. In reality, though, some people see you with a nice car and they are like mean mugging you. I don't know why, you know what I'm saying? You may not even be showing off, revving the engine, none of that. You just enjoying your car, you ain't speeding or nothing. You just driving through town. Some people hate to see you in a nice car, especially if they know you. If they know what you've been through, or know, you know what I'm saying, you started from where they started from and you done outgrew them, or, you know what I'm saying, you just got your dream car that you've been dreaming about. Everybody been telling you, like, nah, you ain't gonna get that car, or, you know, like, yeah, you may get that car, you know, like, oh, later down the line you will get that car, or in your 40s or 50s you may get that car. But, like, a lot of people will, like, act like they supporting you, but not really. Like, when you finally get that car, they not really happy for you. So you definitely gotta watch out for those kind of people that are not really happy for you. Cause I mean I dealt with that too sometimes. Like all right, after friends and family, third thing, you got, like, you know, you just driving around, you know, you park at Walmart, all of that. And you know, you're not even trying to like park, you know, far away or nothing like that. But you know, you got people like looking at you crazy because you think you special or something because you got a nice car, and when in reality it's not. Like, you know, you just doing, you doing everything things like everybody else doing. You know what I'm saying? Some people be like mad at you for no reason because you in a nicer car, or even they may even key your car because you're in a nicer car than they are. Like, I don't know why that is. Like, cause I was at Walmart. I didn't even park that far away. I kind of parked like next to somebody. I don't know if they was like, cause it's like an old car still. Like, I know it look clean, but it's still an old car. What I'm saying is that you will get a lot of envy from people, and people that you may not even know. So that's the whole point I'm getting at, is when you have a nice car and you worked hard to making it nice, or you bought your dream car and it's nicer than majority of the people in your city. Like, people would envy you for no reason at all, just because you have a nicer car. People act like they like nice. People want nice things, but hate to see other people with nice things. I feel like, honestly. I don't know why that is. I guess because, you know, they can't get to where you're at, or they can't do something you doing. You know what I'm saying? Like that. But don't let it distract you. Don't blow up about it or nothing like that. Just ignore that, and you know, just keep going, man. Don't let nobody down talk you because you got your dream car. Oh, I know the car payments must be expensive, or I know you drink up a lot of gas, or this, and that. You know, like, yeah, you shrug it off because, you know that you are financially stable enough to make the payments on that car. Even if you don't do the content, you got the job, you've been saving up, your payments low, or they, decent, and you making car payments and on time, and you ain't worried about it. Cause, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't let nobody just, like, in all those kind of people, what I'm gonna say. To all the people that wanna get that dream car, man, just get it. Do it. You can do it, manifest it. Like I said, write it down, work on your credit, or, if it's a used car, it's like a used Corvette or something, you want to buy cash. Save up your money, stay down, put the hours in. Like I said, 110%, 10,000 hours, no days off until you get that. And then once you get that, you know what I'm saying, enjoy it. It's okay to enjoy things. Just don't go too crazy with it. That's all I'm going to say. But yeah, man, just like I said, just try to find a way to make you money. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, because if you're not using it for its potential, then it's kind of like, it's your dream car. I ain't gonna say it's going to waste, but it is going to waste if you're not using it to its full potential. Because that's just what it's all about in the game. Like, nowadays, we can create a lot of business, do a lot of business from our phone or camera. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, just try to, like, make that vlog, upload that picture. You know what I'm saying? Make those reels or TikTok, whatever you got to do to, you know what I'm saying, make that car affordable for you. That way you ain't coming out your pocket all the time, or tripping like, damn, I gotta use this shit to pay my car note. I wanted to buy the new J's and this and that. You know, like, just find a way for it to make you money. That's all I'm gonna say in this video off right here, man. So back with another video. Let's talk about cars. Again, we're talking about dream cars, man. But enjoy that dream car, man. Like I said, I'm proud of you. Pat yourself on the back. Enjoy it. Do your thing, man. Don't worry about nobody else. Ignore the haters. Ignore what they say. You know what's best for you, and you know when you doing wrong. And I'm out of here.